Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where Bitcoin of course have been seeing a very beautiful breakout of this descending broadening wedge here, but it is right now running in towards a very important resistance box here. As well, we will be going over the parallel channel getting created on a daily time frame together with this very important downward sloping resistance line here on the other side is right now getting retested. Are we going to break through it? That's the thing that we will be discussing for sure. As well, the W that we have been creating right now on the Bitcoin daily, and of course this potential W breakout that we are right now seeing on today's daily candle. As well, we will be going into the 1 hourly time frame to see what we're going to have, what is going to happen here in the immediate short term here. And as well, we will be going over the very important indicator that is, of course, giving us for the 5th time here in the historical price action for Bitcoin a good buying opportunity. And this looks, of course, absolutely beautiful to, of course, accumulate some Bitcoins at. So if this sounds interesting for you, of course, make sure to smash up these likes here. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell notification so you're not going to miss out on any of these time-related updates here. And as well, guys, let me know in the comment section, do you guys want me to make another Ethereum update? Let me know here in the description. Otherwise, I will be making maybe a different update about another coin here. So let me know in the description what we should be making a video about next year. So yeah, let me start off right away the video here to discuss the Bitcoin price action here on the 4 hourly candle. So yeah, what have Bitcoin been doing here? Bitcoin, of course, have been forming this beautiful descending rolling wedge here, and ever since breaking out, of course, we have been standing our price target here around the 40.6k here on the top side, and this was an approximately 21% move here, what I personally already played perfectly till right now here. But right now, on the exact moment that we're trading, I already took some profits yesterday around these levels. But these levels that we're right now trading on, I took some very minor profits because, yeah, there is a potential scenario that we're, of course, going to get rejected by this level. Personally, I'm not really anticipating it, but for sure it can be happening because we're running in towards very critical levels of resistance. And if we can't break through this level over here of the blue box, we will be for sure seeing lower prices getting reached here. So, yeah, we have been standing still a lower low structure in terms of the 4 hourly candles here in the trend. But of course, if we're looking to the recent hours, if we're looking to the 1 hour as well, you can see clearly we have been forming higher lows there. Yeah, right now it's just very decision time if we are going to see this breakthrough here, because you can see clearly found support, clearly got rejected. And as well, you can just see the significance from the wicks as well over here. It is just a very important level that you do want to be breaking through. So yeah, we are already trading against it right now here. It can be maybe taking several hours if we're going to see so. But yeah, usually if we're trading below these levels, we see these big pumps here towards the upside every single time we're trying to break through here. So yeah, let's see if we're going to see another sick pump towards the upside, because yeah, if we're looking to the previous price action, we have been seeing every single time such a big pump if we're trying to break through this level, if we're trading below it once again here. Of course, here I don't think it's a very good a good example because we were getting supported by it, but over here, yeah, we were trading below it, and once re-entering it, very big pump here. Trading below it, re-entering, very big pump here. So yeah, let's see how it will be, of course, reacting right now to the price action, but this can be for sure leading towards higher price getting reached here, and still, we'll be saying it. I mean, my price target for the descending broadening wedge here is still sitting on the 40k here. So personally, yes, I'm anticipating it, but of course, I am currently having a lot of trades open as well for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and of course, with these trades, I will be taking profits along the way here. And talking about trades, guys, if you're really interested in it as well here, make sure to join the Discord server right now here, because in our Discord server, we are going to give you guys every single day these signals about Bitcoin and Ethereum, where I will be opening my trades, etc. So make sure to go into the link in the description and you can be joining our Discord server. There is, of course, a special chat over there where you can see Rover signals, and in that server, I will be just giving you my signals. And of course, if you have notifications all enabled here on Discord, you will be always staying notified about every single update that we are going to give you. And as well, if you're going to join the Discord server, you are just going to be chatting with all these community members over there as well here. So make sure to join it already. It will be amazing if you're going to do so. Already 13,000 members over there. So yeah, let's join it all together. And of course, let's build up this community and let's crush the market all together, because the recent calls that we have been making here on the channel are absolutely fire. And the last 4 or 5 calls we have been making were all perfectly played out here. So Yeah, let's run in towards the next very important chart here, but is of course on the daily candles. So I will be going into the 1 hourly candles in a second here, but before going into the 1 hourly candles, guys, I do want to be discussing the very, very important daily candles, because yeah, I like to trade on daily candles as well here, because usually we are getting a lot of time to anticipate our trades, so we can be entering our trades with a big amount and still make very good gains here. And what we are right now seeing, of course, is a beautiful parallel channel getting created here on the Bitcoin daily chart with several touch points on the top side. And right now, of course, this candle only over here from yesterday is a little bit weird. It's on Binance. I don't know why this candle is a little bit weird, but the candle glitched a little bit here. But you can see on today's candle, we are breaking out here. Of course, still, we can be creating a wick on the top side. We're trading as well against critical levels of resistance. But if we are going to see this daily candle today closing above the 34.7K, guys, we officially confirmed a breakout for Bitcoin in the downtrend on the daily. And if Bitcoin is breaking the downtrend on the daily, guys, this is going to signify way more prices towards the upside. And this is not only going to signify that the Bitcoin prices are going to surge. No, the momentum will be surging as well here, because as soon as Bitcoin is going to break out here, I'm expecting that the trend line here of the downward slope or resistance line here on the RSI will be also following. And if this one will be following, guys, this will be quite massive for Bitcoin, because this is the level that has been providing the resistance since January 2021 here, because you can see over here slower tops, lower, I mean, yeah, we were forming still higher highs, but it was not necessarily exponential higher highs like we were doing here in January towards February. So yeah, since seeing this, of course, it was giving us a signal that the market was cooling off here and the strength was losing. And while we were as well seeing this downward slope resistance line getting created here on the RSI, it was giving me a signal, okay, we are seeing the buying strength, the momentum, especially the momentum is cooling off behind Bitcoin, and prices are still increasing. But right now, of course, we're standing at way lower stages. We have way more room to grow here. Together, if we're going to break this resist line here on the RSI, guys, this will signify that Bitcoin can go overbought once again. And people say maybe Bitcoin overbought is bad, but in a bull market, it's definitely very healthy. So yeah, there were a lot of opportunities to accumulate around these levels, but I don't think that we will be staying much longer around these levels, because I do personally anticipate that we're going to see a quick rise towards the upside as soon as we're going to close this daily candle outside of this resist line, because it will be as well signifying all these charts to flip bullish. And not only this here, because there's as well a very important article here. And this article is about that Bitcoin is currently indicating its fifth buying signal in the Bitcoin history. And that is all about this very important Pure Multiply. So the Pure Multiply is a very interesting chart here. You can see it above. This is indicating how much people, this is indicating the periods where the daily value of Bitcoin is reaching its historical highs and lows here. So the green box is historically seeing a very good buying opportunity, and the red box is historically seeing a very good selling opportunity. And what you can see here, what this Pure Multiply already have been calling the 2018, mid-2018 bear market low of below the $4,000 was signifying, okay, this is a good buying opportunity. It was signifying the all-time high of 2017 as a selling opportunity. It was signifying 2015 as a buying opportunity while we were extremely oversold here. As well, it was signifying the top of 2014 as well. And right now, guys, it has first of all not even signaled a top here in 2021. No, I want to be saying better. It is currently in 2021 here, giving us a signal that we want to be seeing, of course, that we want to be, of course, accumulating around these ranges. So yeah, the Pure Multiply looking extremely good here, giving me as well a signal. Okay, I want to be accumulating on these levels. Together with these charts, it is making me feel extremely bullish. And I have been warning you guys already several times about it. And yeah, you still have the opportunity to buy your Bitcoin on 35K here, but will you be always buying Bitcoin below 40K? I mean, I've been saying it several times on the 30K. I've been even, of course, as well on Twitter, warning every one of you that I've been accumulating my Ethereum position on $1,700, and my trade is still open while we were right now trading above the $2,100. So I'm absolutely crushing it already with that trade, and I'm looking forward towards the next one. But yeah, it is looking very good. The daily candle signifying buying opportunities right now here. Of course, first I want to be seeing where the daily candle will be closing here. But as well, the on-chain data is, of course, giving us the signal to, of course, buy around these ranges rather than sell around these ranges. So as well, Bitcoin, of course, what are we seeing on the daily, chart, or if we're taking a different approach and now looking to the parallel channel, now we're going to look at it differently. We're looking at the daily candles with some horizontal levels. And if we're looking at the daily candles with some horizontal levels, first of all, we can clearly see what we have been already calling, of course, since this daily candle closed, of course, over here. We have been already seeing a double bottom getting created. Double bottom, typical reversal signal. We have been seeing it playing out here. I've been already calling this one 4 days ago. Literally, while this candle was closing over here, we were already calling a double bottom. Since this candle closed over here as well, we've been calling for a potential W recovery. And you can see it right now here. W recovery looks to be playing out perfectly. Yesterday we found some resistance on this 34.7k level, but if we can be once again today close above the 34.7k, this will be already a pretty bullish bias. This will be already pretty bullish because you can see over here resistance, support. I say resistance, but I mean, sorry, support. Of course, support, while trading below it, you are finding resistance. So, yeah, it is looking like a very strong buying opportunity if we're going to, of course, close above the 34.7k here. It is going to signify way more strength in the market, and it is just making me feel, of course, extremely exciting. And I do want to be looking, of course, at this, and you do want to be embracing it. I mean, yes, I look at the lower time frame. Sometimes I can say that I'm a little bit more bearish on the lower time frames, but if I'm looking to the daily time frame, no, I'm not bearish at all. I'm extremely bullish. So yeah, to talk about the lower time frames, where I'm right now a little bit more bearish on Bitcoin, where we can be potentially see a minor decreasement, since as well, of course, running in towards this blue box of resistance, well, can be potentially take several hours, maybe several days here before we're going to break through. Of course, it can be also today, but I will be not attaching a time frame on it. You can first of all see we have been forming clearly a lower high over here on the RSI on the 1 hourly candles, where we have been forming a higher high on the price chart, and this of course leading towards a bearish divergence, what can be of course potentially push prices that lower. And of course, since I started the video, we were not seeing this decrease yet here, but we are right now seeing it already. But I was already, of course, expecting this because we were seeing such a significant bearish divergence playing out here. So, as well, thing that's playing out right now here is important upward sloping support line. I have been looking at this yesterday. We found support on this level. So yeah, I do expect if we're going to see some more touches, this can be maybe helping us to push the trend still towards the upside. If we're breaking below this level, will be quite unfortunate to see here. I will be as well removing all the drawings real quickly, because if I'm taking a different approach of this line here, guys, we can be looking to find maybe some potential support over here. Because yeah, you can see here resistance, and we have been breaking through it with our with our 1 hourly candles. And are we going to retest that support right now here? So that is of course the thing that we will be learning from the charts in the next coming 18 minutes. So yeah, once this video is live, I should definitely highly suggest looking at this as well here. But this is going to for sure give us a signal. If we're going to close it below it, we're going to go lower once again here probably. But if we're going to hold this, it will be very likely to still see this increasement towards higher levels getting created here. So yeah, it looks pretty exciting. But yeah, as well, nothing really, not a lot of special things right now playing out here. But yeah, unless this upward sloping supportive line, very important to look at. You can see clearly higher lows and higher highs getting created here. But there are some bearish divergences coming out here and there. And these are giving me some sell signals, of course. So yeah, as well with the MACD here, you can clearly see lower highs getting created here. You can see the high over here getting created. And together with this high is once again a lower high. So yeah, it's once again bearish divergence as well on the MACD. Yeah, giving us some bearish signals here. So yeah, we are having a bullish crossover once again here on the 1 hourly MACD. Let's see how this will be resulting, because yeah, usually when these moving averages are crossing, we're seeing some more momentum towards the upside getting created here. But that's of course a thing still to see here, and it will be as well very important if we can be holding on to this horizontal level over here. So guys, thank you so much for watching here. I will be keeping you guys up to date about this horizontal level over here on my Twitter page and of course on the Discord server. So make sure to join both of them right now here, guys. Thank you so much for watching here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.